I should be live uh, in few minutes or yeah, soon. So let's see. Let me open the docs for Nil Foundation documentation. Also, let me reset the timer. Okay, cool. Documentation. Yesterday we were here. Yeah, we did till this section. Advanced tutorial we haven't done. Let's go to next. Yes, so this one will be interesting because this particular section is a nil native thing, async call. It's not available in general EVM. This is specifically from sorry. This specifically works in nil because they have like multiple shards and cross shard communication that happens with this. So what we can do is let's go to prerequisite and run this hard hat, then this part hard hat plugin. Also maybe I want to work with like scaffold it. So this is scaffold it. It creates like a open source thing for uh, it creates a repo or project for anything. So you can see this one, explore all extension. Can we wander? Okay. So it tells you, it creates this kind of thing where uh, you just need to execute this command and everything will fall into place and you'll have a boilerplate code there and you can work with it. So maybe I can create that for nil. I'm not sure if I can or can't, but I think I should at least try because that's pretty interesting for me. And this like nil, I can create a starter kit for nil. Let's say it will be a starter kit. Anyone can come and just execute one command, and they're good to go for setting up a simple project. Hoping that they have these things installed, node npm and get, not get but node and at least node and npm. But if you are a developer trying to learn something, uh, I'm pretty sure you will have node.js installed in any scenario. Okay, so simple hard hat. Let's go back to VS Code. Let me increase this. This was from yesterday. We have done this. Uh, how we did this? Basically, created a simple contract, which just copied this contract from the documentation and used Solc to compile it and create the ABI. And you can actually, can I say no? You can't format this. Okay, so complete ABI is here. and been this is like a bytecode. So we can delete this because we don't need it right now. We can run the hardhat npm install hardhat. Next command is this install smart contract package, but I don't know why we need to do this for globally. Maybe I am missing something, but not sure why someone should do that globally. Okay, then this and plugin. Okay, let's follow the documentation. This now it's installed. Okay, this is global, so don't worry about it. Back to documentation. We need to install Now we need to install this client library and hardhat plugin. So I copied both. Let me select. Let's install the plugin first. It's running. Let's just a second. Now we can install the client library. Cool. That's done. Let's go back to browser. Uh, we we were in the prerequisite section. Plugin. I want to check the cookbook. Yeah, because okay, no, they are not showing us. uh, It's not here what I wanted to see. Okay, so documentation, then nil 101, go down to make cross shard. So this part we need to copy. Let's go back to browser. There is no need for hard hat. Can we just do, let's create a folder, cross shard, and in this let's create a new file called caller.sol. Let's run this. Yeah, there is no spdx identifier. Let's remove this. MIT, or let's keep that as it is. Now we can move on, change the directory to cross shard and run the command to compile this, which is solc dash o, then say dot slash caller dash dash ben dash dash abi, now dot slash caller dot sol. and they have put overwrite. Okay, probably not the best idea. I think, okay, can we just do this on, we can just do this on their playground. So let's go back, open playground. It's opening here. There are all these things. Let me put my endpoint in that uh, in that field. I don't know if that endpoint should be private or public. So let's see. Yeah, no. Let's let me keep that private only then. If I'm not sure, then I'm gonna keep that private. So I'm just hiding it. It's checking the back. Top up 100. Just a second. Yeah. Anyway, you can't. Now it's here, so you can't see this. Anyway, uh, what I did was just went here. This is the address. This is the currency. Nil USDT. There are four. Out of those, I have chosen nil and just said top up. So it should give us some tokens, some more tokens. Let's see if we face any problem. We'll see. This was the example, right? Cross shard communication example. Compile is gonna use Soul C in the browser. Yeah, deploy. We can deploy it. Let's say shard one. In the tutorial, it says null wallet deploy caller. It should be shard two, right? Why it's shard two and shard one? Let's put on shard two. This is caller. We can call. We can verify external, and we can deploy this on shard one. So caller is on shard two. Counter is on shard one, and we have get value. Click get value. Okay. We put a. Oh, you can see everything here. Oh, that's pretty cool. Increment. We can see the transaction hash and value is one now. So caller address Let's read this. Note that caller address compile and deploy on shard2. No, and then bunch of commands. Note that caller address starts with 0x0002, which indicates that caller is indeed deployed on shard2. Oh, that's, yeah. I didn't see that difference yesterday. This starts with 0001 and 0002. So whenever, what happened? Okay, whenever there is, you can check, you can understand like where the contract is deployed based on the first four digits of the address. That's good. It's very simple, so that's why. Now, can we do this? Nil wallet send caller address. Can we send? We don't want to regenerate. Okay, let's do this then in the command line. I have copied this command and I'll just paste it here. And I'll copy the address of caller. Right now you can see balance is 0, and here you can copy back to VS Code, paste the address and send the transaction. And we have the transaction. Back to browser. Can we refresh? Oh, you see, we have this. Now what's next? Nil wallet send caller address call counter avi dot. Can we caller address? We can do a call to counter. Okay, that's it. This is the call function, and we can copy the counter address, put it here, and say submit. Let's see what happens. Also, the function call, it just needs address message dot sender, and it calls increment. Okay, so we just need to give address of the counter, and it's doing the call to counter to increment. It's sending a call to counter to increment the value. And if we see, it's incremented. Can we do one more time? Go back to counter, get value 3. Okay, and we can do this. It's We are doing this here only. We don't really have to do this in the what in the VS Code or in the terminal with CLI. This was pretty straightforward to understand. And we still have these advanced tutorials handling async execution. calling methods inside a contract. Okay, we'll go there. Right now we are on nil 101. We saw this. Now tokens. Okay, nil has base tokens. Nil has base tokens that are used to pay for essential functionalities such as deploying contracts. However, each contract can also create a custom token. A contract can a contract can only be the owner of one custom token. While custom tokens can be transferred between contracts, they cannot be used to pay for operations inside nil. Okay, so it's like ERC. It's similar to ERC20, where you still need ETH to transfer those ERC20 tokens. Next, okay, non-owners cannot perform any operations with custom token. So what does that mean? Something like you can't send tokens from someone else's address, someone else's wallet. Uh, we have the functionality of transfer from, right, in ERC20. If if you don't know ERC20, there is a function called transfer from, where if you have the allowance, you can transfer tokens from someone else's wallet, but you need the allowance. Here, it's not possible. I think that's what they want to say. Then here we can say the flow. Create new wallet. We can create that. Create new token and withdraw it. So nil minter create token, wallet address that we got from the first command, 5000 new token. Check tokens of wallet. Create token and withdraw it. Are we withdrawing it? I think they want to say mint it. Okay, let's execute the command and actually understand it. So we have salt. We can say 2024. Can we do this shard ID too? Oh, that's pretty cool. You see, we can create addresses on different shards. Okay, next command was nil minter. I do have the documentation opened in front of me, so I'm writing, like, I'm copying that command from there. Not copying, I'm typing out the command while seeing it. So just keep that in mind. Nil minter create token, then the wallet address. Let's go with the first one. Then 5000 new token. Where did I mess up? Messed up. Oh, so there is no create token command. Cool, 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 cool. I think I need to open Notion and take out notes for this. It would be helpful for me to just have them. Just a second. I'll open it. You can find that on my Notion. It is in the description, hopefully. No, it's not. I'll add it. It's a public Notion page, so yeah. No, I need to copy. I'm on browser, so I'm just seeing this first. Wrong command on the in this section. There is no create token command and create token and new token command. Cool. How many guys are? How many of you are there? Okay, not many. It's just me and my brother. Cool. Back to VS Code. So can we change this to create currency and mint currency? Okay, that's done. Hopefully we can do the next part, which is nil contract tokens and then the wallet address. So nil contract token tokens and wallet address was this one. Tokens. There is no tokens, so currencies. Currencies. We have this currency and 3A47F. 3A47F. Yes. We can see the list of it. That's pretty great. Wrong. Second and third command. Correct ones are as follows. Let me copy this and this. Command 3 command 2. I'm just noting this down, so be patient. Okay, back to our browser. Balance. Okay, so this output should be different. Should I do the output also? Yeah, I don't have enough screen real estate. That's the issue. I have to get one another monitor, maybe. Okay. Um, why? Why is this happening? Sorry about this. I'm trying. I'm trying to set this, but something else is happening automatically. Okay. Output is different too. You can say token ID. Okay. We are done with this. This was pretty simple. Can we go here? No. Go down. When was this updated? Who is this? You can check their Twitter. No, 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 that I know. I'm just trying to figure out typo, typo. Okay, this is like actual typo. This is not even. I thought they core concepts. Okay, don't know. They they're probably not fixing anything. I'm just trying to figure out if. Okay, let's go to docs. No, then no docs. Null core concepts. No, not core concepts. Getting started. Null 101. Why we are not seeing anything? Is something wrong? Or is something wrong with this only? Like, is something wrong with Browser? No, it's not. Then why we can't see this code? Okay, so this is some file tests test then null test slash null 101 dot test. Okay, this is basically they are doing the testing here. That's why I hope that's it. Let's just open that file in new tab. Go down and currencies. So they are saying run this command. The flag config flag new address and this new address is a command at the top somewhere. Okay, I'll try to run it on my local and see how that works. But I know that there is some fixes are needed there. So okay, back to null. Let's go to next. Getting started. Now we are gonna go deep on each of the topics. I'll take a short break. Okay. You guys, I'm back. We can start with this. Okay, creating a wallet. This tutorial defines how wallet wallets work in nil and outlines the different ways for creating a new wallet. Definition: in nil, a wallet is smart contract that is able to pay for interaction with real life users. A wallet is any smart contract that is able to pay for interactions of real users, right? Okay. The tradi- next part, the traditional definition of wallet in Ethereum mostly refers to externally owned contract externally owned accounts EOS that are secured via private key and natively hold information about users' balance. Wallet in nil differs from this definition. A nil wallet is always a smart contract and it must be deployed as such. Wallet handles all usual functionalities, example authenticating request, but it can also include complex logic such as multisig operations. This means that in almost all cases, an external message has to go through a wallet that signs the message and assigns a value to it. The message is only forwarded to its target uh, target smart contract for execution only after this process is complete. Again, I didn't understand it. This means that almost this means that in almost all cases, an external message has to go through a wallet that signs the message and assigns a value to it. The message is only forwarded to smart con- its target smart contract for execution only after this process is complete. So what this means, go through wallet that signs the message and assigns a value to it. I don't understand this part. What value? It assigns a message value, but what is that value? I don't know. And after that process is complete, it'll go and get executed. Okay. Counterfactual contracts. It is possible to send funds to an address where contract is supposed to be deployed. Thus, fund will be stored at that address until a contract is fully deployed, at which point the contract will be able to access them. Fund, funds sent to an address without a deployed contract are safe, and another party cannot claim them by deploying another contract before the owners of the fund are able to deploy their contract. So why can't they deploy it? Is it just they can't calculate the address wallet address, or what? Maybe they can't calculate the wallet address. That's what they are trying to say. Pre-built and custom wallets. Because any smart contract can be a wallet, there is a distinction between pre-built and custom wallets. Pre-built wallet is provided as a part of NEL. Such such a wallet includes essential wallet functionalities as well as predefined constructor bytecode. The NEL developer tools provide several ways of deploying pre-built wallets, such as NEL wallet new, which is CLI command. We have seen that pre-built wallet. Presently, only one type of pre-built wallet is available. Additionally, types additional types of pre-built wallet are work in progress. Guarantees. As pre-built wallets are provided as pre-built wallets are provided as part of NEL, they are guaranteed to be valid and tested. An audit process for pre-built wallet is currently under consideration. Okay, so basic wallet will be there, and just a second. And someone will audit them, or you can build your own and just wing it. At least audit it, otherwise your wallet is prone to be hacked. It's a smart contract at the end. If you use this one, um, you are peachy. Otherwise, if you want to do by yourself, you need to take precautions. That's what my understanding is. A, a custom wallet is any smart contract written by user. This contract can support any flow permitted by Solidity code, such as multi-sig authorization, token vesting. Custom wallets can be deployed just like any other smart contract. Okay. New wallet creation. via nil CLI. Nil CLI offers a quick and convenient way to create a new wallet. We did this nil wallet, nil wallet new salt, the whatever the salt is. We have put that there. This will produce following response. Contract created. Okay, this is not the response we are getting. We are just getting some. What was the response that we got? Yeah, new wallet address. So this thing is not there. We need to do the top up. Sorry. I was saying this part is not there. We can go back and see this wallet. We haven't done anything with it, so we can check balance of it. Nil wallet balance dash help flags config specified in config.address field. Can we do something? Nil dash help. Nil ABI. No. Wallet that is certain. We don't need that also. Oh, we can just go back to browser and open the block explorer. It should be somewhere here, right? Yes, you see, we have this. We don't really need that transaction. We need to check address for this. What is address for this contract? Yeah, you see, we created this currency, right? Now, there is some issue. Just give me a second. So this wallet address, refund, transfer, deploy, and two methods. I don't know what this is. From to, and then the bytecode. We don't have anything. So that wallet is the currency now. Is that it? and it has, so we created our own currency. Okay, we'll understand that in the token support. Let's see. Next is via client library, and this is just JavaScript. We'll run that afterwards, maybe in the tomorrow stream. Right now I just want to go through this. I just want to go through commands and Solidity. That's what I wanted to say. This example initializes a new wallet, provides it provides it with a signer, and requests a top up to the wallet address. The wallet is then deployed. Okay, so this whole thing is, we run this thing and a new wallet will be deployed. Cool. Let me go to getting started, create a wallet. Okay, same thing. Pre-built, no pre-built. Where was this? Via client library. Via client library. Then there is this tests test slash creating a wallet test. Okay, so this whole thing should be there. Before call, I'm just trying to understand like what is getting added in the documentation and what isn't. Okay, we'll run that tomorrow. For today, I think that should be it. Okay, let's just read sequence seq no seqno squino, who knows. When using the client library, funeral default to 0 sequence number, I think that's what they want, for every message sent via wallet. If too many messages are sent at the same time, this with this sequence number, they will fail. To avoid this issue, set the sequence number manually whenever using the wallet. Okay, understood. Where are we using sequence number? Cards. Okay, yeah, we understand that this is basically uh, it's saying the nuns you need to set it manually, otherwise there will be some issue. Okay, cool, understood. Yeah, we learned, just a second. We learned a good bit about nil today, and it was interesting. We created our own currency, which was pretty simple, but I'm still confused about what that currency does and how. Is it a wallet? Is it a smart contract? Everything is smart contract, but how But I was confused. Is it a like smart contract controlled by me, or it just you can mint it once and nothing will happen afterwards? Uh, I need to understand it. But in the token support, I think tomorrow we'll get to know what it is, like how the currencies will work on Null. But for now, that's what we are going with. We don't understand it, and in tomorrow's stream we'll understand it. That's it. Cool. I hope you like the stream and you will join me tomorrow in doing this deep dive on Nil and understanding Nil network. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe. And that was the stream. Have a nice day. Bye.